video. When I say go, you say hi everyone, okay? Go.
Hi everyone.
Hello, welcome to RV East Coast. Today is a very special day because winter is officially over. That means, what? What did you say? That means that we get to get our RV ready for the season. So today my little guy and I are going to de-winterize and clean the RV. Come with us, join us, it should be a lot of fun. What are we doing today?
Going to the train museum.
Yeah, after we clean the RV, we're going to his favorite place, which is the train museum is in Strasbourg, PA. So should we do it? All right, let's go. Go to the truck.
Bye-bye.
Please don't leave just yet, oh Susan.
Had to make a little technical stop for snacks. Having a good trip? All right, and here we continue. Oh, look who's there. Look at that guy. Hello. So now that we are making a little technical stuff, there is something that I am very concerned about. Last year, when I winterized the RV, I did everything right, but I forgot one very important thing. I forgot to drain the water out of the water pump. And I am a little concerned that maybe that water expanded and damage the water pump. So today, after we clean the trailer and we fill up the tanks, that's gonna be the moment of truth. I hope everything is okay. If not, we're gonna have to spend a couple $100 in a new pump. So fingers crossed. Let's keep driving.
'Cause I'm ready to be the man that you want me to.
Alright, so we made it to Lancaster. We parked the trailer at our in-laws, so we don't have to pay for storage for the winter. So yeah, let's go around and take a look, see if there was any damage done during the winter to the trailer. It's looking a little dirty from last season.
Trying to get to you before you go, Susan.
I should have covered those tires during the winter, but I didn't, so it's definitely something I should do next winter. So we actually did a few modifications during the winter. One of them is this bicycle rack behind me. I'm gonna make another video with all the modifications that we did. I know that many of you like that kind of videos, but yeah, during the winter it was brutally cold out here, but we came and slept on the trailer a few times. Every time we came to visit our in-laws, well, we had our home here, so it was cool having the trailer. Let's continue doing a little walk around the trailer, look for damage, look for anything that needs attention, and let's get it clean. And later let's check for that water pump that I am a little bit concerned. I hope that the water didn't expand and damage the pump. So after we get it clean, we're gonna take a look at that. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited. This is gonna be a good year, and we have so many amazing trips planned. So stay tuned for that. Let's get busy. Stone griddle. Check my review if you haven't seen it. This thing's pretty awesome. Okay, one thing that I don't like about this trailer is that there is no really access to the water heater, or like some people say, the hot water heater, which I don't think that's correct. Is it? You people that know more English than me, let me know below, because I think that hot water heater is like a redundancy. Anyways, something I don't like is that you have to get inside the storage bay to access the water heater, and I have to go in there to open the valves because it's winterized. So yeah, it's kind of awkward, but someone has to do it. Hashtag hot water heater. Here I go. If getting in is hard, it's way harder getting out. So let me take the camera so I can show you inside. Okay, that's not good, because if I remember well, there shouldn't have been any water in there, and I heard water sound. Water. So this is the moment of truth. In our trailer, the water pump is located right here behind this wall. That's also below the kids' bed. So I'm putting some fresh water in our tank. Then I'm gonna run the pump, and hopefully everything will be okay. So let's go check inside, and fingers crossed. Let's see. Sorry for the audio. Arlo is watching a movie in here.
Shouldn't you kids be in school?
So
Whoa, right back
yeah, let's turn on the pump.
Look, I'm on my
And now let me show you before I do it. This is where the water pump is. I was talking to you right out there, so let's do it. Okay, the pump is running now. Let me see. So far, it sounds good. I don't see any water leak. My hand is dry. Yeah, these hoses are all dry. So yeah. So yeah, everything is okay. I was a little nervous about that. This was our first year winterizing our RV, so I was just hoping I did everything the right way. I did forget that one little detail, but no consequences. So I'm gonna finish up here, and I'll catch up with you soon. So right now we are at the Strasbourg Train Museum. We finished with the trailer, mission accomplished. We are ready and set for the summer. And we are really excited because we have a lot of good trips planned, and we are going to bring you with us in almost every trip. Now we are going to enjoy the museum and enjoy a little bit of quality time with this handsome baby boy.
Goodbye, everyone.
All right, we'll see you in the next one.